Welcome everyone. I will teach the course of total quality management. But first we should know that why this course has been introduced in the program, or what are the benefits of this particular course. After passing BTech or MTech or MBA, you might work as a quality planning and assurance manager after some years, or you can also act as a quality control engineer or quality control manager. So that's why this course will be helpful if you act as a quality manager or quality control engineer or quality control manager in industries. And additionally, those who will not work as a quality control, quality manager or quality engineer, for them also it is very useful, because nowadays total quality is considered as an integrated philosophy, and the employees who are working in marketing, finance, or HR or other sections of any industry, they also participate in the quality control programs or quality circle. So that's why the basic things of quality control should be achieved. And that's why this course will be helpful for you. But there is also uh, in each and every industry, quality is treated as a very vital concept. But yet again, quality engineers or quality managers, they also practically they face several difficulties as well. For example, as a quality engineer, you or quality control manager, you may test some items and you may reject those items, and you can understand that there is no credit in rejection. But again, if you accept some items which are not actually acceptable, then also problem may occur. You need to take the responsibility for that. So there are some problems as well, but still quality is the main focus of each and every organization. So that's why this subject or this course is very very useful. And regarding the if we consider BTech programs or engineering programs, then the course is mostly emphasized on the statistical aspects of quality control. Okay, because in case of engineering, you need to uh, consider, you may need to conduct design of experiments. You may need to use different quality control charts. But in case of mm, the other industries apart from core, that means service industries, I'm not saying that the control charts are not used. Obviously, control charts may be used, and they focus on intangible outputs like quick response or waiting time, etc. But usually, uh, and all design of experiments also, it is not very frequently used in software industries. But still, the main focus is on the total quality approach part or the quality philosophy part. Okay. So, and also quality philosophy. Yes, this is true that the quality philosophy, this is applicable to also the core industries and as well as the mm, service industries. Okay. So this is basically the objective of total quality management, and we will take care of uh, all those issues. Essentially, we will focus on the manufacturing industries because uh, most of the charts or tools and techniques of quality management or total quality management are applied in manufacturing industries, but those will also help if you can implement those tools and techniques in your service, in if you work in service industries, and if you can implement those tools and techniques in your domain, that you can do. Okay, so this is basically the objective of total quality management. Thanks for watching.